Hey, now you listen here, Jack. My name is Tim. I don't care, Jack. I'm the commander-in-chief, the big kahuna, and you're gonna listen to me. Now, I heard you've been selling a whole lot of iPods, Xboxes, and other doohickeys and not letting the kids fix them when they break, and that's a bunch of malarkey. Okay, first of all, we haven't even made an iPod since like 2014, and nobody buys those anyway because they're basically just crappier iPhones. Like, if you're poor, just go buy an Android. And we don't even make Xboxes, you silly goose. That's Microsoft. We're like rivals or something. I don't care. I don't have time for excuses, Pat. You got a problem? Let's do some push ups together. Now, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, back when I was a lifeguard, the pool would break down all the time. I'd be sitting there at the edge of the pool, kids playing with my hairy legs as I sniffed their hair, and all of a sudden a whirlpool would appear. Now, I'll tell you what, Matt, as a lifeguard, those kids are my responsibility. And not just the white kids, but also the poor kids. I mean the dumb kids. I mean the black kids. African Americans. That's what they like to be called. Now, little Tyrese, he isn't the strongest swimmer, so I had to tell the other kids to get off of me so I could dive in and save him. Now, I had to close the pool early so I could swim down to the bottom of the pool and fix it, and you're telling me that I don't have the right to repair the pool and save the black kids? What? Okay, dude, we're just against right to repair so that we can make more money by upcharging people for parts and labor at the Genius Bar. I don't know what you're talking about with black kids and pools. Like, it's got nothing to do with that. Well, you listen here, Fat. I talked to this fellow named Louis Rossman, and he told me about the importance of right to repair. He's a great American citizen who made a business fixing all kinds of Nintendos that you guys claimed you couldn't fix. Once again, we don't sell Nintendos, we sell MacBooks. I don't care what you're saying, you lying dog-faced pony soldier. You didn't vote for me because you ain't black. But you know what is black? This pen, in this book. Now I'm going to sign this little executive order here and bam, right to repair is now legal. How do you like them apples? Now if you'll excuse me, I think I saw Corn Pop down the street trying to sell some menthol cigarettes. I'm going to go grab my pool chain and handle that.